This is Rashmi, an NLP Master Practitioner from UpgradeYourMind.in. Let us all for a moment reflect on ourselves. Are we satisfied with what we are doing? Are we really meant for this? Or are we struggling with it to meet ends? How many different professions have we experimented with so far? At least after all these trials and errors, have we actually found our niche, expertise, passion, or purpose? Well, to be frank, we may have even sought the help of astrologers, or maybe even a tota, a parrot, who may hopefully pick a card of our destiny, or accept the card picked as our destiny. Amidst all this, how much of our precious time has just passed away and we regret it? The world is full of opportunities, and it is important to know what we are getting into before pursuing it. After important milestones in life, each of us faces this question, like, what next? Because we cannot afford to mess up with time and our life. How is it that the Western countries have doctorates aged around 25? How is it that we get to see very young people being an expert in their field? They don't seem to have astrologers involved in career planning or life planning, unlike us. People do get confused about which course to pursue, and most of their decisions depend on parental and peer pressure. Instead, people should be aware of their skills and interest in a particular coursework. So it is always essential to choose a career or stream based on your interest, internal motivation, aptitude, potential, and personality. An early education program is not just about schooling. It's about exploration and observational learning. So the only best scientific approach to a process of assessing these metrics is the psychometric testing. In the Western countries, psychometric tests are used to screen individuals for even college admissions, setting future goals and skills. The student does not need to go through several career magazines and can be guided by counseling and guidance just based on their psychometric analysis. It not only helps a student understand a career stream, but also helps him or her to understand the scope of a particular career. Choosing a career that matches one's profile leads to professional success and happiness. These tests are recommended for students to understand themselves and their capabilities better. It is more of a self-help and self-awareness step. A good psychometric test reveals how an individual can handle stress, bearing with difficult situations, and what kind of characteristics will he or she portray at the time of meet. It also helps him or her to understand the scope of a particular career or coursework. Well, there are two dimensions to this psychometric analysis. Firstly, the analysis quantifies knowledge, abilities, attitudes, the brain orientation, dominant representational system, hidden potential, personality traits, and accordingly helps plan careers. Secondly, we work upon gaps that become visible through psychometric analysis to perform better in what one is doing or even acquire skills that are lacking to achieve the desired outcome. So the psychometric analysis helps understand us better and fine-tune our approach through learning or unlearning. UpgradeYourMind.in is an NLP academy that has been helping and supporting several students, professionals, and individuals confused about their direction in life and work out hurdles in their path to success and happiness. Interestingly, a psychometric report can even make choosing a life partner more scientific and foolproof in times when marriage has become a sort of gamble. A psychometric report helps one with career planning, work out gaps in skills and attributes, helps an individual in choosing a career direction and becomes the stepping stone in deciding the streams. Structure and modify our personality to synchronize with our goals and aspirations. Choose a closer to idealistic and compatible partner. And maybe we can use it in many more ways, like to decide upon growth, fixing goals, promotions, suitability for a particular occupation or position, and so on. So it's time we get into a foolproof system of studying and analyzing an individual and making life more pleasurable and successful. So all those confused about themselves, their journey in life, and wishing to achieve their passion and purpose in life may get in touch with us. Please visit www.upgradeyourmind.in. It is always wise to put on the GPS system while driving to ensure the shortest and safest route to your destination rather than trusting on external pointers. So entrust your life's journey to upgrade your mind and stay assured that you achieve your passion or purpose as early in life as possible. Thank you.